Welcome back to Flip Top Topper. Today I want to show you something we're excited about for the spring. It's a beautiful day out today, not warm enough for camping, so I thought I'd take a moment and show you our new couch system. So over here we have a new mattress that we bought over the winter. I should say last fall we tried it twice, really like it. So what I'm going to show you is how we can take that mattress and turn it into a couch. So as you know, this is how I drive down the road. This is really, I guess, travel mode. When we go camping, we put the paddle boards underneath the board up front. We load everything around the paddle boards. When we go camping with the mountain bikes, I'm going to put a picture up. We take that board up near the cab, we take that out, and we load the bikes up, and then we load everything around the bikes. Now, when we get to camp, we pull everything out. So let me show you how easy it is to then set up couch mode for when we get to the campsite and want to relax. All we really have to do is move two boards and then put the mattress in. But I want to show you something that's pretty cool. So bear with me as I change it around real quick and add the couch. Okay, the boards are set up. Okay, we're now in couch mode. But here's the problem. If you had a regular cap, this is too low. Even for us, it's a little low. I could make it work. But this is the cool part of having a convertible topper. Watch. Okay, so now when we get to the campsite, we have an open air couch. Of course, we can put the bug net up, we can put the rain fly up, but you have all this extra headspace. So if you enjoy camping in the outdoors, enjoy nature as much as possible, but you want a little comfort, think about getting yourself a couch. The trick to this couch is the ribs. Have you noticed the ribs? That's the trick to this couch. So thanks for watching. If you are interested in the spreadsheets, how I built the benches, how I built the topper, you can go to fliptoptopper.com. Take care.